After a decade or more together, if you are not careful, routines replace romance. But it's not supposed to be so. And familiarity can dull emotional intimacy. This is the time when life becomes focused more on responsibilities. I mean on your career, your children, your business, ministry, leaving little room for nurturing the couple's bond. In Proverbs chapter 5 verse 18, the Bible says, "Let your fountain be blessed and rejoice with the wife of your youth." The truth of the matter is, if you leave love unattended, it cools. And so God calls couples to continually rekindle their emotional and spiritual connection, because at this stage there is an identity drift, and you must be able to identify that drift